Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's English class. Let's start the lesson Truly Beautiful Mind where we left in the video previous one. While Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, his private life was unraveling, meaning starting to fail. At that time when Einstein was solving very difficult questions of physics, meaning in as far as his professional life, Einstein was doing good. But that time some problem came in his personal life. His private life was in trouble. Albert had wanted to marry Malvia right after finishing his studies, but his mother was against it. Albert wanted to marry Malvia after completing his studies, his college, but his mother was always against it. She thought Malvia, who was 3 years older than her son, was too old for him. The reason of her mother's denial or her opposition was that Malvia was 3 years older to him, and his mother thought that she was too old for him. She was also bothered by Malvia's intelligence. She is a book like you. His mother said. Einstein put the wedding off. But another thing which his mother was not favoring his marriage with Malvia is that Malvia was very intelligent. And his mother said that she was too intelligent. She is like a book for you. She is like book as he himself was. Einstein. This was the reason that his mother was against this marriage, because first Malvia was too young, too old, 3 years old to him. Another reason is that she was too intelligent. But Einstein was desperate to marry her. The pair finally married in January 1903. That time Einstein obeyed his mother, but finally in 1903 they got married and had 2 sons also, meaning it seems that they had a good family life. But a few years later the marriage faltered, meaning became weak. Malvia meanwhile was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy housewife. What was the problem that time? Malvia, because she had 2 children to look after family, so her intellectual flight was not fulfilling and she became an unhappy housewife. After years of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. So after continuous struggle, fight, the couple finally got divorced in 1919, and the same year Einstein got married with his cousin. Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise of words fame. In 1915, he had published his General Theory of Relativity, which provided a new interpretation of gravity. See, Einstein, though his family life was in trouble, but in professional life he was doing good. The same year he published his Theory of Relativity, which had given new interpretation of gravity. An eclipse of the sun in 1990 brought proof that it was accurate, and his research was proved by the eclipse of 1919. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent to which the light from fixed stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. The newspapers proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. His work proved as scientific revolution, and his name, fame spread everywhere, and moreover it was proved correct as well. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He was showered with honors and invitations from all over the world and lauded by the press. Now Einstein got name, fame, success as he received a Nobel Prize in Physics. With this prize, lots of invitation, lots of interviews, and he was completely surrounded by press. When the Nazis, but it showed only Einstein as a scientist, but Einstein proved himself as a human being as well. This we will discuss in next video. Thank you everyone.